Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and while I am physically at the State Fairgrounds building our vendor booth for the Capital Quilters Guild show, this has been pre-taped and I'm going to have another bonus for you at the end of today's video. Our first vendor preview is Marys Bearys. Mary has been part of our Handmade Market for years. Marys Bearys began as a small service project and has grown into a charity bear mission run by an 11-year-old girl named Mary and her mom, whose mission is to spread joy and love to children in need. These berries are lovingly handmade and each one is unique. This spring, we are debuting our new squish berries. They are so fun. They're very squishy. I wish you could squish with me. They're super soft and extra squeezable. Come see us and get your berry, squish berry, or one of our crinkly taggies. I'm going to hold this to my ear so you can hear the crinklies. Fun for babies. As always, for each soft, snuggly bear or taggy that is sold, one is donated to a child in need. Buy one and they give one, with donations spanning the entire globe. So Mary and her mom are really awesome. They're really fun to have at our markets. And these are our two giveaways. She always custom designs the accessories and little fun stuff that goes on the berries. That's one of them. And this is the other giveaway. So if you'd like to support Mary's mission of making one and giving one, she will be at our Handmade Market, and then she has these two great giveaways, and who can resist a Mary's Berry no matter how old you are? So we're excited to have Mary back. Now, my bonus for you today is that last Wednesday, I actually shot a bunch, I think 6 binding videos that I put on YouTube last week, which you may or may not have seen, but I'm going to link to them in today's video. We have a blog post on the Cary Quilting website that has links to all the videos. So while I was making my binding videos, I also made samples that are going to be living here at the shop that will teach you how to do specific parts. Like in this particular example, it teaches you how to make the corner on your binding by following these directions, and you can practice right here with the piece that's here. We also have samples on how to join binding ends and how to cut this one, so it will meet with that one, which is why they're different colors. We have samples of a two-sided binding, and I used obnoxious thread color so you could see what happened in the bobbin and in the top thread. And then we have examples of hand binding with a thread that shows and how to close up your miter corners. So if you have had binding questions, these samples will be living in the long arm area of our shop, and we can certainly share them with you. And then, like I said, I have 6 videos that I just put on YouTube last week that I'll link to today. So if you have any binding questions, you're going to be able to find the answers right there. And if you're very observant, you may hear a lion roar of a yawn from the living room during the video, and I won't tell you who it was, but it was a family member who may or may not have been aware that I was filming from home that day. So very funny. And it's just what it is, you know. I mean, we don't claim to be all the way professional around here, so I hope that you get some use out of the binding videos. And again, I am currently setting up at the Capital Quilters Guild show at the State Fairgrounds in Raleigh. You can find us there tomorrow and Saturday, and the shop will also be open. So if you're in town for the show, we'd love to see you here at the shop as well. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you from the show floor tomorrow morning. Bye.